Adam from Empowering Gardens. Welcome to our indoor garden series. Today I'm going to talk about houseplants and show you how to make a beautiful window box with houseplants. Before I start the demonstration, let's talk about some of the benefits that houseplants offer. They brighten up the room with color, improve the air quality by reducing dust, mold, pollution, and CO2. It makes you feel calmer and happier. Being around plants can help normalize your blood pressure and your heart rate. First, select the plants that require the same light and same care and light exposure. I have chosen 3 very nice pothos plants. Second, you have to make sure that the container has a drainage hole in it. That is very important. Third, use a good potting soil. And here's the potting soil right here. Okay? Now, to begin, I am going to first cut the bag open. Pour a little in. Nice and open. Smooth it out a little bit. Now, I am squeezing the pot to release the roots. And I'm going to open it just a hair. And we're going to see if that looks right. I think it needs to go up just a little bit more. Let's see. That looks right. Okay, now I'm going to take the second one. And we're going to open up the roots on the bottom. Always pull out the label. They're going to have a label that's going to tell you about the care and the sunlight. And we're going to put that one sort of right about here. That looks good. The next one, we're going to squeeze the bottom, take the tag out, loosen the bottom a little bit, and see if that will fit in there. Oh, that's going to fit nicely. And then we're going to add a little bit more soil. A little bit more. One more little area to do here. And okay. Now, each plant had a label on it. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting the label behind the plant so you know how to take care of it and all that. And in order for your plants to thrive indoors, please make sure you read the instructions on the label about watering, temperature, fertilizer, light exposure, and repotting. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for the next video about indoor gardening. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us today. For more videos, please visit www.cje.net/cyberclub.